Shares of Rubrik popping right now, up 6.5% on the back of a revenue beat and a strong guide in its first report as a public company. Rubrik also raising its full year outlook, and joining us now is Joel Fishbein from Truist on that. Joel, how does this look versus, say, Commvault, which is, profitable, for example, and is this reassuring for a recent IPO when smaller tech stocks haven't been performing that well?
Yeah, it's a great question, and thanks for having me. Rubrik's a standout here. You got a company that's growing 40%. They beat by 17 million. You haven't seen that in software in a long time. They raised the guidance. They're frankly in a sweet spot right now of data security and compliance, and everybody needs it. There's over 2,000 companies that lost data last year, and this company's helped them, deal with breaches and ransomware, and they're in a favorable position.
So what is it that you want to hear from management on the call? We still don't have a sense of how cautious their guides might be, for example, though they did seem to be careful to guide to beats over consensus at the midpoint.
Yeah, it looks to us that they just passed the beat through, that they didn't guide up further than that. They guided up 2Q by about $2 million, which is what we like to see, which gives us some conservatism. Just the metrics were, really strong, particularly the $100,000 customers they've added. That was up 47%. What we want to hear is that they're continuing to get strong traction across the board in every vertical market. We want to hear about the competitive landscape. Obviously, there's other competitors. You brought up Commvault. There's Cohesity and Veritas. But again, this is a very big market. We think it's a market that several companies can compete in. But these guys are clearly the standout right now, growing above 40%.
A lot of times we talk about regulations as a headwind to companies. How much of a tailwind are the SEC cybersecurity disclosure regulations to a company like Rubrik?
It's huge. It's a tremendous tailwind for them, not a headwind, sorry, tailwind for them, because companies have to disclose when they're breached. Before, they didn't really have to disclose it, and now companies have to disclose when they're breached. There's penalties if you lose customer data or you use PII data, and Rubrik's in a position with their architecture that they can actually go back and recover that data, even if it's stolen, and get companies back up and running very, very quickly. And that's kind of a unique value proposition. And these government regulations are just going to get stricter, particularly, around AI and AI sovereignty and AI privacy. All that data needs to be protected. And Rubrik is in a very unique position to be able to do that.
Okay. Joel, thanks for joining us with shares of Rubrik up 7% right now on the heels of its first earnings report as a public company.